best thing anyone can do to grow the adventure community, get more people on adventure bikes, go for rides. My buddy Dakota, Gideon, and Rob Day. We're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna go hit Robert Flats today. Let's go. Looking forward to getting the Tiger a little bit more dirty, a little bit more put through its paces. Currently has the Olin's rear shock and Adriani front fork cartridges in. Today should be fun. Oh, no, the T7. The crew's all here. Dakota brought.
Have you guys had his wife's
carrot
pie? I've seen it. I have not had it.
Oh, you were. You know, I saw something about chicken pot pie.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, fuck.
Chicken pot pie is amazing.
You fucking married Betty Crocker.
Entrance to Robert Flats got a nice little hard pack. Boys are starting to just get a little bit of their dirt legs, so I'm taking it easy. Robbie Day. Giving Dakota and Gideon a nice little tutorial on where we're at in Robert Flats. Boys are doing great. T7s are awesome. Tiger is doing rad shit. Both these boys are fairly new to dirt riding, but the T7 is such an amazing machine. It complements new riders exceptionally well. I don't know about y'all, but this is going to become a thing. This Bonneville modern classic hipster chic is going to cross over into the adventure world. These boys are going to make it look good. Let's get out. Alright, so what we're going to practice for these boys is downhill descents, front brake only, slow, and steady. Rob's leading it down, Dakota's in it. They're kind of going down. It's a lot steeper than it looks, and it'll get steeper as it progresses. Let's get going. I wish I could give you footage of me doing it, but my GoPro batteries are died, so, you know, fuck GoPro. Go get it, Gideon. I'll follow behind you, bud. Back. Nice steady pressure on the front wheel. All right. On the ridge. Tiger's killing it. Let's go. Get those brakes squealing, that's the sweet spot for the downhill descent. Just nice and slow. Dakota's third time, I think, riding his T7 off-road. I gotta say, man, I'm super proud of him. He's doing a great job. He's so stoked. I'd be too if I had that T7. How you feel, Gideon?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Fun. Ready for more.
Dakota?
Feel good. Feel good.
Yeah, it's a bit of a workout. So that trail is my favorite trail in the area because it's got a little bit of everything, right? Yeah. It's got some rocky areas, it's got some sandy areas, it's got some perfectly flat, and there's all those optional hills that we saw along the way. So it's a great place to just go spend the day learning how to pick a line, you know, learning how to stay loose and relax. I love this trail. I think people up there a lot. I'll bet you that is like a big valve or gate or something that we're going to go.
Ah, bro, that's where you put the gift.
Right?
So good Brower, a little bit of highway, and now we're gonna kind of go down there. Really nice big roads. It's super easy. Perfect for these boys who are fucking killing it. Wow. Let's go. So squat. That a boy. That a boy. It looks good laying down. Well, ready? So 1, 2, 3, walk it back. Walk it back. There it is. Kickstand. There it is. Look, it's got a little camel toe.
Yeah, that's the camel.
You good?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, I just went into back
Oh, okay.
into this.
Kind of came into this sand.
Yeah, this turn here, and then my rear end slipped out. Like that.
Right back. Don't turn and brake. Don't turn and brake. This big war pig. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Dakota definitely hit it. goes.
That's wrong, bad boy! Ah! Get stuck in the sand!
Well, there you go. We're done for the day. Rob, awesome as always. Gideon, Dakota, they're like third or fourth time in the dirt. This is adventure motorcycling, man. You don't have to, if you want to go rip. But if you want to build this community and you want to make it better and awesome, take your friends out. Go for a ride. Take it slow. I dropped my bike in the sand because, you know, I'm an idiot. Gideon came into a corner a little too hot, but nobody's hurt. Had a great time. Here we go. Peace, y'all. So, I almost made it gas station to gas station for this entire day. One tank. I decided to pull off because those triple dashes mean you're like a handful of miles from running out of gas. But this is very accurate on the Tiger, but almost point to point. I think I'm separated from where I am now to where I filled up this morning by probably 5 or 6 more miles. Dope. What does a full tank of gas get you in Southern California? A whole day of fun, baby. Love it.